Alright, good afternoon everyone. Okay, so before I begin our lecture, I will just brief again lah for your test this Thursday, since you're not used to the test yet for reaction. So just going to discuss, just brief a little bit on the test details. So for those who are not aware, your test 1 is on this Thursday. Bear in mind the test will start early. It's about the test will start at 8 a.m. Your class is usually 8:30 to 9:30. But since the test will need 90 minutes, so I will start the test a little bit early, 8 o'clock, and the test will end by 9:30. Okay, so I will email the questions to your student email. So make sure you open the questions received by you. Please do not get it from your friend because everybody will have different set. So you must get your set from your student email. I will email it by 7:45 to your student email. So if you do not receive it in your student email, I will use the email that registered in your e-learning. If you don't receive it by 7:45, please contact me, either text lah to make it make sure that it's urgent. By 7:50, I will tengok email tak ada lagi that test question. Please make sure you contact me so that I can email it to you directly. Okay, so again, you cannot get the question from your friends. You must obtain it directly from your student email. Okay, so then you answer it on a white piece of paper, empty blank paper. You will answer it, and then make sure you compile it and then convert it into PDF. I would make sure that it's compiled and submit in one PDF file. With the front page is your submission, cover sheet page. So I will attach in the email, this attach soalan. I will attach your cover sheet. So make sure you fill up the cover sheet. So that cover sheet will be your front page lah. Then the rest is your answer. Please make sure it's in PDF form, and please make sure, of course, you will do it tulisan tangan lah. You will do it using hand, but just that snap picture, then make sure it's converted into PDF, attached dengan cover page, and then submit it through VLE. So bawah VLE tu saya dah letak satu folder, test 1 submission. So submit in the VLE. Okay, so immediately when the test end at 9:30, please do the necessary compilation, so on and so forth. I give you additional 15 minutes, so meaning the VLE will be open until 9:45 for you to submit your test paper. Okay, let's say you have difficulty in submitting through VLE, you can also email to me. But let's say email pun tak boleh. Okay, if let's say your place has internet problem, you can also either WhatsApp or Telegram to me. Saya rasa Telegram lagi senang. WhatsApp, I think the file, if it's too big file, WhatsApp pun susah. So emergency, worst to worst, kalau memang tak boleh, is through a Telegram. But all these, if you have difficulty in submitting, you must inform me by 9:45. Jangan nanti saya tunggu sampai pukul 10, pukul 10.30, baru cakap ada masalah internet. I will not accept. Ada masalah tu means 9:30 to 9:45 tu ada masalah, please already inform me accordingly. You ada problem, then I will allow the submission extension. But if you don't inform me by 9:45, kalau kamu tak submit and you don't inform me, I assume means tak ada submission lah. Okay, so please inform me accordingly. I understand sometimes ada internet problem, which is very normal. Just that inform saya accordingly so that I'm aware of the issue. Okay, and then next, apa lagi kejap. As I said, it's an open book test. Okay, kejap Amma. It's an open book test, but not open discussion with friends. Meaning you are strictly prohibited from discussing with your friends. And if similar answers are found in in your answer sheet, you will be penalized. Okay, so let me mention clearly, it is an open book. I admit, betul. Kamu boleh refer notes, nak refer apa-apa pun boleh. Tapi tak boleh refer kawan atau discuss dengan kawan. If their answers are similar, and let me tell you, it's easy to catch if you copy from your friends. Both I will penalize. Means I will give 0 immediately for both of the student. Tak kisah siapa meniru, siapa ditiru, dua-dua tu pun saya akan bagi 0. Okay, so that's the only rule in my test. It's okay kalau tak tahu buat pun tak apa, sebab the first test is to gauge your performance. Meaning katakan if the performance is not so good, then I know to adjust accordingly pengajaran saya and how I'm going to handle the course. But let's say kamu tiru semua dapat markah tinggi, it also not so good, because that I assume means you are really good, that I will increase the difficulty next time. So please don't do this. Please don't cheat. Please don't copy from your friends. Tak apa, tak dapat pun tak apa, sebab as I told you, memang test one biasanya, of course I want you to do well, but if you don't, it's really fine. Just that I will definitely find ways to help you, but the important part yang I would like to emphasize, don't copy from your friends. Let me really know your own performance. Tak tahu pun tak apa, tak dapat markah tinggi pun tak apa, tapi at least saya dapat tahu those are who not really performing, and then I can assist you better in your class. So kalau macam kamu semua score, saya assume okay, semua okay, but actually not. So then test 2 final exam, it become worse. So that's all. Open book, you can open anything, just that not with your friends, no discussion, no copying from your friends. Okay. Tadi ada soalan Amar, ada soalan ke?
Doktor, kalau
Yes.
cover sheet page ni, kalau doktor masukkan awal-awal boleh tak dalam BLE? Sebab lagi senang kita buat sebelum tu lagi.
Oh, okay. Boleh je. Kalau kamu nak, okay. Nanti saya letak dalam BLE cover page. Good suggestion juga. Alright, nanti saya letak dalam BLE. Okay. Thank you, Amar. That's a good suggestion. Alright. So, again lah, as I said lah, jangan takut. Kalau kamu tu ada internet problem, you generally have internet problem, tak boleh submit on time, okay. Just that inform saya je. Text saya, okay, doktor, I'm so sorry, I have difficulty submitting, I'm trying, blah, blah. At least saya aware. So, saya tahu, okay, katakan student A ni memang lambat, saya aware. So, saya KIV. Okay, so doesn't mean I will penalize you. You really have internet problem, I will really accept it. Okay, so just that, to be fair, sebab we want to make sure that, okay, kalau internet problem tu, itu genuine, saya rasa yang kawan lain pun tak kisah. Tapi, I'm sure other friend will mind if let's say kawan dia tu tak ada masalah internet, tapi orang lain 90 minit, dia 2 jam. Dia ambil masa 2 jam. So, that's the thing lah. You have to consider fairness, but if you have genuine internet problem, it's really fine. I will assist you in making sure that you can submit it on time. Okay, so far I see macam mini project submission really excellent. Everybody submit on time, so good. I think this is the first time in many semesters yang saya tak payah kejar student untuk submit. This semester bila saya remind pagi, before midnight everybody submit. So that also is a very good thing. So it shows indicator that you are very dedicated, committed, and you understand on the deadline. Okay, so hopefully let us continue this. Lebih senang sebab saya suka student yang on time. Bila student tu on time means saya gauge yang dia memang take it seriously the course, means you really do the course, dan saya pun semangat lah nak ajar. Okay, so the same for test pun buat benda yang sama. Right, okay, so done for the test matter. But if you have any problem, any issue about the test, you can